Hey, what's up everybody? Dulanjana here. Who doesn't want to be that person everyone just gravitates towards? You know, the one who lights up a room without even trying? Well, guess what? You don't need a magical makeover montage to become that magnetic someone. In today's video, I'm serving up 10 personality tips that are so simple, so practical, they'll boost your attractiveness like you just hit the jackpot on charisma. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to level up your personality game. Let's dive into these personality hacks that anyone can start using today. All right, let's kick things off with a superpower that's more effective than any magic spell: genuine interest in others. Think about it. Don't you just love it when someone actually listens to you, like really listens, and asks questions that show they're interested? It makes you feel like you're the only person in the room. So how do you show genuine interest? Easy. Ask questions and really listen to the answers. Put those phones away, make eye contact, and be present in the conversation. Here's a little exercise for you. Next time you're chatting with someone, aim to ask at least 3 questions about them. People love to talk about themselves. Give them the stage, and they'll think you're the most interesting conversationalist ever. Remember, being a good listener is a superpower. It shows you care, it builds connection, and it makes people feel valued. Okay, moving on to our next level personality hack: eye contact. Now before you start freaking out like, oh my god, I can't hold eye contact, it's so awkward, hear me out. Eye contact is like that secret sauce that makes your conversations more flavorful and your connections more meaningful. Think about it. When someone can't even look you in the eye, you're instantly hit with that "what are they hiding" vibe, right? But when someone looks at you directly, it shows confidence, it builds trust, and it makes you feel like they're really present with you in that moment. Now, I'm not saying you have to stare intensely into someone's soul for an uncomfortable amount of time. It's about finding that sweet spot, you know, like when you're talking to someone, hold their gaze for a few seconds, then look away briefly, and then back again. Here's a fun little challenge for you. Set a timer for 5 seconds, find a mirror, and practice holding eye contact with yourself. It actually helps you get comfortable with maintaining eye contact. Remember, your eyes are powerful tools of communication. Use them wisely, my friends, and watch your connections deepen. Get ready to unleash your secret weapon, your smile. Okay, I know what you're thinking, Dulanjana, smiling? That's so basic. But trust me on this one, my friends. A genuine smile is like a burst of sunshine on a cloudy day. It's contagious, it's uplifting, and it instantly makes you more approachable and attractive. Plus, smiling releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain, which not only makes you feel happier, but also makes you more attractive to others. So here's a challenge for you. Start your day by smiling at yourself in the mirror for a good 10 seconds. It works wonders. And hey, while you're at it, why not spread the love? Flash those pearly whites at strangers, friends, even your grumpy neighbor who's always complaining about the leaves on their lawn. You never know, your smile might just make their day a little brighter. All right, let's talk about a simple yet powerful hack to make people feel instantly connected to you, using their names. I'm telling you, there's something almost magical about hearing your own name. Think about it. When someone you've met a few times remembers your name, doesn't it make you feel special? Like they were actually paying attention and they value your presence. Now, I'm not saying you have to go full-on telemarketer and repeat their name after every sentence, okay? That's just creepy. But sprinkle it in naturally throughout the conversation, like, hey name, how was your weekend? Or, name, that's a really interesting point. It's like giving them a mini shout out, a little reminder that you're not just talking at them, you're talking with them. Just remember, subtlety is key. You want to come across as genuine and interested, not like you're trying to hypnotize them with their own name. Let's be real, everyone loves a good compliment, right? It's like a little verbal gift that brightens someone's day and makes them feel good about themselves. And when you're the one giving that gift, it instantly boosts your attractiveness. But here's the catch. It has to be genuine. No one wants to hear cheesy pickup lines or forced flattery, okay? A genuine compliment comes from a place of authenticity. It's about noticing something you genuinely appreciate about someone and expressing it in a sincere way. It could be anything. Their infectious laugh, their killer sense of style, or even their dedication to their pet goldfish. So here's your challenge. Make a conscious effort to give at least one genuine compliment every single day. Notice something you admire about someone? Say it. But a word of caution, don't be creepy, okay? Timing and context are key. Nobody wants to receive a random compliment about their eyes from a stranger in a dimly lit alley. All right, let's talk about a quality that's seriously underrated in the attractiveness department: being open-minded. Think about it. Haven't you noticed that people who are open to new experiences, new ideas, and new perspectives just have this magnetic energy about them? It's because an open mind is a welcoming mind. It shows that you're not afraid to step outside of your comfort zone, to challenge your own beliefs, and to learn from those around you. And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. When you're open-minded, you're basically saying, hey, I don't have all the answers, and that's okay. I'm curious, I'm willing to learn, and I'm open to seeing the world from your perspective. So here's your challenge. This week, make an effort to start a conversation with someone new or someone you wouldn't normally talk to. Approach the conversation with curiosity and an open mind. Listen to their story, ask questions, and try to see the world from their point of view. You never know, you might just learn something new, challenge your own perspectives, and become a more attractive and well-rounded individual in the process. Let's be real. Life is too short to be serious all the time, right? A good sense of humor is like that secret ingredient that makes everything in life more enjoyable, including yourself. There's nothing more attractive than someone who can laugh at themselves and find humor in everyday situations. When you're with someone who makes you laugh, don't you instantly feel more connected to them? Laughter breaks down barriers, lightens the mood, and makes you feel more at ease. And the best part is, humor is a skill that can be developed. You don't have to be a stand-up comedian to make people laugh. Start by paying attention to the funny things that happen around you. Share a funny anecdote from your day or tell a self-deprecating joke. Next time you're feeling nervous, try telling a funny story about yourself. It'll lighten the mood and show people you don't take yourself too seriously, which is super attractive. All right, let's talk about a subtle but powerful way to boost your attractiveness: good posture. Now, before you roll your eyes and slump back into your chair, hear me out. Good posture isn't just about looking taller or slimmer, it's about projecting confidence and presence. When you see someone walking tall with their shoulders back and head held high, don't they just exude confidence? It's like they command attention without even saying a word. Good posture tells the world, hey, I'm here, I'm present, and I'm feeling good about myself. And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. It's about finding that balance between relaxed and alert. Imagine there's a string attached to the top of your head, gently pulling you upwards. You'll be amazed at how much more confident and attractive you feel. Let's talk about a quality that's universally attractive: kindness. It's like that secret ingredient that makes the world a better place, one small act at a time. And when you're kind, you're not just making others feel good, you're also boosting your own attractiveness. Kindness is about more than just grand gestures. It's about those small, everyday actions that show you care. It could be as simple as holding the door open for someone, offering a genuine thank you, or even just lending a listening ear to a friend in need. So here's your challenge. Today and every day, make a conscious effort to practice one random act of kindness. It doesn't have to be anything major, just something small that brightens someone's day. Trust me, not only will it make the world a better place, but it'll also make you feel amazing and boost your attractiveness in the process. All right, let's talk about a quality that's seriously attractive: a growth mindset. You see, attractive people aren't just born that way. They're constantly working on themselves, expanding their horizons, and becoming the best versions of themselves. It's about embracing challenges, seeking out new knowledge, and never settling for mediocrity. Cultivating a growth mindset is like investing in yourself. It's about recognizing that you have unlimited potential and that you're capable of achieving amazing things if you're willing to put in the effort. So here's your challenge. This week, commit to expanding your knowledge or skills in some way. Read a new book, take an online course, learn a new language, or even just have a conversation with someone who has a different perspective than you. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the most attractive people are those who are constantly learning, growing, and evolving. Embrace the journey and watch your attractiveness soar. So there you have it, my friends. 10 powerful personality tips that can instantly boost your attractiveness. Remember, True attractiveness goes beyond physical appearance. It's about the energy you radiate, the connections you make, and the impact you have on others. Start incorporating these tips into your daily life and watch as you attract more positivity, more opportunities, and more amazing people into your world. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more life-changing tips and tricks. Until next time, stay awesome.